Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James of the Chart Guys. It is Wednesday, February 21st. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil, to begin the week, rejected right at that 4 and 8 EMA on the weekly. We are close to a TCG bear cross where the 4 EMA crosses under the 8 EMA, and that's something we do not want to see as a bull, or we're going to see potentially a little more downside, or we could just continue to range here a little bit in consolidation. The must hold is we're looking at this inside candle high and low of this weekly candles within the previous ranges high and low. Let me double check that. Low 58.20. Yeah. So we have inside weekly candle, as I've mentioned. It did hold that 20 EMA support. So if this week does have close the week very poorly for the bulls, and we get a really bearish reaction tomorrow on inventory reports, you do not want to see a break below 58.20 after we started the week on an initial bull break of the inside weekly candle. That's going to be a pretty strong reversal, and that's going to be a pretty big bear break in my opinion. And so if we lose this 58.20 and then break the low of this mother candle 58.07, I am going to look for further downside in oil and going to look for further pullback. And then the next support to be watching will be 55.82. 55.82 is my must hold. No matter how much we pull back here, I want oil bulls to consolidate above 55.82 or they are going to be in trouble. Again, be wary that there is a bear MACD cross on the weekly here. Potentially, depending on how this week closes, we're going to get a TCG bear cross on the oil weekly as well. So those are things to watch on the weekly. As far as the daily goes, daily on this bounce attempt, we had higher lows from this bottom. This big green candle, higher low, higher lows, and higher highs. And today, breaking to a lower low on the daily after setting a lower high is something to be wary about. We'll see how much it consolidates, and that's going to depend tomorrow obviously on the inventory reports if we have a reaction. We are holding the 4 and 8 EMA on this back test here, and still holding a TCG bull cross on the daily. I want to see bulls come tomorrow and absolutely blow this top off of the high of today of 61.85 and then break this recent high of 62.65 to prove themselves on this daily candle. If we are able to break this high of 62.65, then look for an equilibrium pattern to form where we have lower highs and higher lows until we break one way or the other. If you want a shorter time frame, you can look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, after this consolidation, we've formed higher lows here on the 4 hour and higher highs. And now we are forming lower highs and lower lows. So we need that trend to change. And so bulls need to break, obviously, the high of today of 61.86, as I mentioned. And then this would be my confirmation for me. Really, I want to wait for that 62.43 to break on this 4 hour chart to show me that bulls are regaining control of this 4 hour chart. Hourly is probably very similar. So yeah, hourly, you can see these peaks here. Want to break the high, 61.86, and then really show me some strength by breaking that 62.43 top there. And if we go into inventory reports, it's cooling off the RSI. It's not oversold or overbought. So something to watch for is going to be whether we can break to a higher high on the 4 hour and hourly, or if we're going to continue to set lower lows on this hourly. So we're going to watch that multiple time frames, weekly, daily, 4 hour, hourly, all have something different to say to us depending on what type of trader you are. So keep all those charts in mind. Utilize all different time frames depending on what type of trade you are planning on doing. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.